You're about to find out how this resistance band, these black balls, and this 12-inch roller are going to keep you fit. But first, can you identify this fun movie clip? Alright folks, so I've never been a fitness instructor, but I'm going to give this my best shot. This can be used by amateurs and pros, proving the amateur side of things. Now the idea being that you can stretch out and exercise your muscles after a workout. Pretty simple. This is for the back of your calves. And again, they say 5 to 6 times on any given body part. Back of quads, or excuse me, hamstrings. See, I'm not a professional. You can even flip over. I don't know how I'm going to do this because I've never tried it before. Front part right here for your quads. It's pretty simple. It gives you a good stretch. I pretty much think you can do this with any body part, right? Any muscle region. Really feel that. Okay, so 5 to 6 times you can do stomach, back, butt, front of leg, back of leg, calf, that sort of thing. All right, so here's the mystery. What are these balls for? Well, you're about to find out. Now, first off, I like this concept because I get a lot of wrist pain from working on my computer all day. So you can do the same concept you did with the big roller, but these can be kept in your desk at work. There's more you can do with them though, is that depending on the texture, you can see this one is a little spiky. This one's round. So pick which one works best for you. But if you got shoulder pain, wrist pain, maybe you just need to stretch different areas, I tell you what, this feels pretty fantastic. Like, I get a lot of pain from working on my computer all day. I can see where I'm going to be doing a lot of this. Okay. So any part of your body, it works the same as the roller. However, this is for specific targeted areas. Anything from biceps, triceps, quads, anything like that that you just want to work, particularly the bottom of your feet, which could feel really good on a partner or by yourself. All right, and my wife is about to demonstrate how you can use the ball to massage the inside of your feet. Alright folks, I wanted to show you that you can do this anywhere. I could have taken this to a gym and filmed it, but I want to show you can do this in the house. And this is a resistance band. Now one thing you can do with it is you just step on one end and you can build your shoulders and back. Simple, right? Now there's almost no limit to the different things you can do. You can double it up and put it between your thighs. Now, depending on how far you spread your legs on it, it increases resistance. You can do double arm curls. You know, depending. There's just a lot you can do with a band like this, okay? And don't forget that you can always fold it over to increase resistance. Put that right between your quads. So it's a great little exercise tool. I like upper body, so I can see myself keeping this available for when I travel, for bicep workouts. And even, you know, a guy, I'm 220 pounds, I do a lot of arm curls. This can provide a lot of resistance, or step on it with one foot, leg resistance. Okay, something else to notice on the resistance band is it's not just for working out, but it's for stretching. So, for example, a hamstring stretch is just that easy. And for somebody who's taller, might have a harder time reaching their toes, anything like that, this is a great band to assist you. Also, for older folks, a very good way to be able to stretch your hamstrings. And you can think about it, you can really be creative with this. And like in the gym, you can tie this up to a machine, use it for stretching your arms, your back, your legs, and that sort of thing. So the bottom line is that this is a good quality product, it's sturdy, and it's going to help with your workouts. It's going to help you stretch and stay fit. So go ahead and pick one up. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Thanks for watching. So the bottom line is you have a real high quality product here. So go ahead and pick one up. I'll put a link in the description below.